to M.S.Senthilkumar. In today's video, we are going to see how to make a simple smart dustbin using Arduino. The materials needed are a foam sheet, few jumper wires, a 9-volt battery, a servo motor, an Arduino Uno, an ultrasonic sensor, some string, a 9-volt battery cap, a marker and a dustbin. For the first step, trace the edges of the dustbin along the foam sheet to cut it. Then make a hole big enough for the ultrasonic sensor to fit in like this. Now it's time to upload the code to the Arduino Uno.
First, open Arduino IDE, then copy paste the code from the link in the description, then select your port, then upload your code. It is done uploading. This is the circuit diagram. For the connection details, please refer to the circuit diagram. Now draw a line in the middle of the foam sheet, then cut it. Then tape it together so that it becomes flexible. You also have to glue one end of it to the dustbin. Tie a rope to your servo motor, then secure it with some tape. Tie a small stick to it so that it doesn't come out. Then put some tape over the circuit to cover it. Now the dustbin is ready.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.